Have you attempted the quiz?
Slide.
Yeah, morning. What I am saying is morning I sent one what you call a quiz test. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and subject verb agreement. On that I conducted one I what we call one
Exam.
Google sheet I what we call one quiz I
Quiz
organized.
test.
Did you attempt it?
Sir,
Have you attempted?
no, sir.
No. Okay, now I will share screen. Look at it. Yeah, this is the quiz I conducted actually. Are you able to see it now? The page is opening.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, look at it. I will explain this one. First one is yes, singular and is the question. Subjects. If you observe, correct answer is
Or.
saying here two two subject is are. Sorry, you can't see it. I think yes. I will put it here. Yes. Look at it. Which one is the right answer? Yeah. Question is visible to you now. Either my mother or my father has coming to the meeting. Yeah. Subject is singular. So I taught you when I explained either or, neither nor. When we have these subjects, we have to use singular verb. I said. Okay. Here is the right answer actually. Next, come to next question. The dog or the cats dash outside. I will give some time. Can you fill the uh, this Google test? Hello. Can you attempt this question? This quiz.
Yes, sir.
I will give
No.
some time. I will give some time, 5 to 5 minutes or something like that. Or 10 minutes time I will give. Can you complete it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I am completed, sir.
Yeah, attempt the yes, attempt the quiz. And do you want the share again? Do you
Yes,
want
sir.
the
No, sir.
link
It is
again?
there.
It is already there. Just click them.
Sir.
23 questions are there.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
You
Okay,
need to
sir.
supply the right verb. Just I will give 5 to 10 minutes time. You can conduct it. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
I will start at 3:15 again this class.
Okay,
I
sir.
will be here just to complete the test quiz, attempt the quiz. Then I will explain it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just attempt it. Okay. I think most of you completed. Nearly 26 students attempted the exam. I am able to see your details here. Still you want some more time? Yeah, do you want some more time? Yes.
Yes, sir.
I got 29 responses. Yes, 30 students responded up to now. Yes, anyone is in the middle of the text? Yes, anyone is in the middle of the text? I am going to stop accepting answers. If anyone is there, you can respond. By 3:20, I am going to stop accepting answers.
Yes, sir.
If anyone is there, inform me. I will stop accepting your answers by 3:20. Yes, I will stop now accepting. Anyone is there? Still doing the test? Anyone is there? Sorry, brothers are at school this one. Anna and her brothers are at school. There is a small mistake. Anna and her brothers are at school actually, this one. Now come to the second one. Either my mother or my dad is coming to the meeting. I told you when I explained rules, when either or neither nor is there, okay, we have to supply singular verb. We have to supply singular verb. Here the right answer is is. Yes, the right answer is actually. Next come to third question. The dog or, what I'm saying is, the dog or the cats dash outside. Here if you observe, okay, if you observe, the dog is singular, but after that what is there? The cats. The cats is what we call countable noun. So we have to use here are. The dog or the cats are outside. The dog or the cats are outside. Because here the subject is, what I am saying is, the subject is plural. The cats is plural. So we have to use are. Next. Yes. Either my shoes or your coat always on the floor. Look at it. Here, what we call either my shoe is plural actually. Your coat is singular. Here these are joined by the word are, which is very close to verb. Either my shoes or your coat, which is very near to the verb. here we have to consider that one actually. So what I am saying is, your quote is singular. Here in the last sentence, what we have here, dogs, the cats, that is plural. But your quote is singular. Your quote is singular. So we have to use here singular verb is. Now we'll move on to next question. Yes. George and Tamara dash want to see that movie. Sorry. George and Tamara want. Yes. Here two options are there. Doesn't and don't. Which one is the right answer? You need to see. Here if you observe, here two subjects are there. We need to supply plural verb. Here what is the plural verb here? Don't. George and Tamara don't want to see that movie. That is the right answer. Don't want to see that movie is the right answer. Next, go for next question. Benito dash know the answer. Benito dash know the answer. Which is doesn't or don't. Here subject is singular. Subject is singular. So what is the singular verb here? Doesn't. Benito doesn't know the answer. Benito doesn't know the answer. Next we'll move to other question. One of my sisters dash going on a trip to France. I told you this one also. Group of sisters are 3 or 4 sisters are there, but here referring one of them only. So here we need to use only singular verb. We need to use singular verb only. One of my sisters is going on a trip to France. One of my sisters. Why we are using is here? You are referring only one person in the group, not all the persons. So we use it here is. Now we will move on to next question. The man with all the birds dash on my street. The man with all the birds dash on my street. Look at this one here. The man with all the birds. Here look at it. The man with all the birds. Here subject is singular. The subject is here singular actually. With all birds is a phrase actually. With all the birds is phrase. See how to do here. Leaves. Here the answer is lives. Because subject is singular. The man is only one person. So according to that we need to supply the verb. The man with all the birds lives on my street. Now we'll move on to another question. The movie, including all the previews, dash about 2 hours or to watch. Look at this one. The movie is singular or plural, including all the previews. Here we are referring only the movie. So movie is singular. So the movie, including all the previews, takes about 2 hours to watch. Takes about 2 hours to watch. That is the right answer. Next, we'll move on to next question. The players, as well as the captain, dash to win. Here, the players is plural. Observe this one. The players is plural. So, we need to supply the plural verb, want. The players as well as the captain want to win. Next, either answer is acceptable. Either answer is acceptable. I said you when is any doubt? Yeah, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Either or neither takes always plural verb, singular verb. So we need to use either answer is acceptable. Here, every one of those books is fiction. Every one of them. Here we are referring either every, anyone. I told you already. It takes singular verb. Everyone, each, and everyone always takes singular verb. Remember, every one of those books is fiction. Next, nobody does the troubles I have seen. What are the answers here? Knows, no. Yeah, here
Knows.
nobody always takes singular verb. I told you, nobody takes singular verb. So nobody knows the troubles I have seen. Look at it. Next, dash is the news on 5 or 6. Here is why news is not plural. It is singular. So we used is actually. Mathematics dash John's favorite subject, while civics dash Andrea's favorite subject. Yeah, these are the subjects. So we need to use is actually. Mathematics is John's, because these are the subjects. So I told you, even though here appears plural verb, it is singular. Civics, these are the subjects. Civics, mathematics. Okay, it is singular verb actually. Next, $8. Yeah, here we are collectively calling $8 the price of a movie. The price of the, sorry, $8 dash the price of a movie these days. Is the right answer. $8 is the price of a movie these days. Dash the tweezers in this drawer.
And a plural.
Yes, dollars, but we are collectively calling it 1 unit. ఇప్పుడు డజన్ అంటాము. డజన్ ఇస్ ఏ 1 యూనిట్. అర్థమవుతుందా? డజన్ అన్నప్పుడు మనం దాన్ని ఒక యూనిట్ గా తీసుకుంటాం. డజన్ లో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 12 ఉంటాయి. $8 అంటున్నాం. $8 ని మనం ఇక్కడ ఒక యూనిట్ గా చూపిస్తున్నాం. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ సింగులర్ వర్బ్ హియర్. ఓకే, ఒక యూనిట్ గా చూపిస్తే వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ సింగులర్ వర్బ్. నెక్స్ట్, డాష్ ద ట్వీజర్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ డ్రాయర్. Actually, it is a plural verb. Sorry, it is plural. Like pants, trousers are there, na? It is also plural subject actually. So we need to supply the plural verb. Here also, the pants dash at the cleaner. The pants are at the cleaner actually. Next, we'll move on to another question. There are dash 15 candies in that bag. Now there were, sorry. Now look at this one here. It is a tricky question. You need to choose 4 actually. There were 15 candies in that bag. There were 15 candies in that. Now there is only one left. First one is were. Second one is here provided. Second one is. There is only plural. Now there is only one left actually. That is the right answer. Next, the committee debates these questions carefully. The committee debates. The committee is 1 unit. Total committee is 1 unit. So the committee debates the questions carefully. Observe this one. Debates is actually the committee is singular, so we are providing singular verb. Committee debates these questions carefully. Now we'll question. The committee members are, look at this one here. What are the choices? The committee members lead very different lives. Yeah, last question, the committee is singular in it, but here the committee members are very different lives in private. Next, the Prime Minister together with his wife greet the press. The Prime Minister together with his wife greets. Yeah, the Prime Minister together with his wife greets the press cordially. Here, look at it. I told words are there. Okay, these are not considered like and. These are not considered like and. Whatever here, the subject is only the Prime Minister. Only the Prime Minister greets the press cordially. Is the answer. Yeah. Next, all of the CDs, even the scratch are in this case. All of the CDs. Look at it. CDs is plural actually. So we need to provide plural verb here. All the CDs, even the scratched ones, are in this. Yeah, after that, I think you might have submitted. Yeah, you are able to see your scores also. Yes, all are the right answers. Yeah, if you get any doubt, you can ask me now. Yes, any doubt? Yeah, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yes. Do you have any doubts? Nearly 39 members attempted the exam. Oh, first question. Yes, do you have any doubt? To tell one more thing. Yeah, tomorrow itself, going to Google Meet. Yeah, Meet I am facing. Be ready with Google Meet. Even you can continue if any problem persists. I will continue with the Teach Meet. But total college అంటే కాలేజీలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ మొత్తం all the faculty, because it is from government, all the faculty are going to shift to Google Meet platform. Okay, మీకు రేపటి నుంచి maximum గా Google Meet classes conduct చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. Okay, if there is a possibility tomorrow we will conduct the Teach Meet. So what I am saying is all of you ready to use Google Meet. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ నుంచి మాకు అవకాశం టీచ్మెంట్ లో చేయడానికి రాకపోవచ్చు. మీరందరూ వచ్చేసి గూగుల్ మీట్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి. షేర్ ద లింక్. లిజన్ హియర్, టోటల్ డేటా విల్ బి విత్ ద సిసి. అర్థమవుతుందా అందరికి? అది గవర్నమెంట్ యొక్క పర్మిషన్ తో వచ్చింది. మీ డేటా అంతా అందులో ఉంటుంది. ఎవరు అటెండ్ అవుతున్నారు, ఏం లేదని మొత్తం ఎవరు సిసి వాళ్ళు కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. అంటే హైయర్ అథారిటీస్ కూడా మీ డీటెయిల్స్ ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయవచ్చు. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి కేర్ఫుల్. యువర్ అటెండెన్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బి అబ్జర్వ్డ్ బై every person. Remember this point.
Sir, microbiology class start అయింది sir.
It is o'clock na
Sir, sir voice clear లేదు sir మీది.
now it is tomorrow. I will take this download. Okay, okay, I will stop with this. Okay.